Hi guys, this is Young, and yes, DJI Pocket 2 has just been released last night. As I've told you guys before, I don't have the device, I'm just buying it like everyone else. I've surely bought it yesterday so that I can actually review about the products, show you guys my opinion, perspective, as well as on how to maximize using Pocket 2. So I ended up getting DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo, which seemed like a better deal than standard one, mainly because of the wireless mic option there, because that would make vlogging just so much more convenient, especially everything looked like it can get packed inside that case. So let's just quickly go through the very key difference. First is a wireless mic option, and second is perhaps better stereo mic system in that matrix, the 4 microphone sound system, and also we'll get active track 3.0 and larger sensor with the effective pixels at 64 megapixels, and of course the wider field of view, which we'll definitely love. I mean, I've already seen a lot of reviews about it. The field of view looks great. So how about DJI Care? Should you get it or not? Actually, with Osmo Pocket 1, I ended up not getting DJI Care because I thought, oh, this is just a land camera, not even a drone that flies around. So I'm sure I will be very careful with it. However, that was not the case. I ended up actually breaking Pocket 1 twice and that actually ended up costing me quite a bit of money. For me this time around, I actually ended up just getting the 2 years worth of DJI Care, which in USD, in US site, it costs $49. So if you need to replace your Pocket 2, then DJI Care will take care of that. But of course, at a small cost, I'm gonna have the detail on the screen so you guys can refer to it. So just make sure not to drop it. You know, I'm gonna try my best not to kill my Pocket 2. But if that happens, I at least have a little bit of insurance there, just in case. So already many of you guys have already requested me to test this and that, and of course I will test them out for you. And if anyone else has other questions before actually making that expensive purchase, it's not a cheap camera, so feel free to ask me any questions. I'll definitely try my best to upload the original pictures, original videos from the device so that you guys can download and see whether you like them or not in real. And this is probably the last time I talk about Pocket 2 before actually receiving the device. He said it takes about 7 to 12 days. Let's see how the customs clearance and everything takes place. But meanwhile, I'll definitely come back with some of the very exciting vlog options, some other exciting cameras. So you definitely want to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and see you. Oh, and if you decide to buy DJI products, then if you could use my link down below, that would really help this channel tremendously. Thank you.